In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to randomize slides in Google Slides. If you ever need to shuffle your deck for activities like quizzes, student presentations, or brainstorming sessions, this quick method keeps things fresh without changing your content. Start by opening Google Slides in your browser. From the home page, head to the Recent Presentations section. This is the fastest way to find the files you've been working on lately, so you don't have to dig through folders. Click the presentation you want to work with to open it. Once your presentation is open, look to the left side panel where all your slides are listed as thumbnails. Select or highlight the slide you want to randomize. If you want to shuffle more than one, you can select multiple slides. Hold Shift to select a continuous range, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to pick individual slides that aren't next to each other. If you want to randomize the entire deck, simply don't select anything, and the add-on will typically apply to all slides. Next, move to the top menu bar and find Extensions. It lives alongside File, Edit, View, and the rest. Click Extensions to open the drop-down. In that menu, look for the Randomize Slides add-on. If you've used it before, it will appear in your list. Go ahead and hover over it or click it to reveal its options, then choose Randomize Slides. Google Slides will quickly shuffle the order based on your selection. You'll see the slide thumbnails reorder in the left panel. Your slide content, layouts, and animations remain intact. Only the sequence changes. If you don't love the result, use Undo to revert instantly, and you can run the randomization again for a new order. As a reminder, Google Slides saves automatically, so once you're happy with the sequence, you're ready to present or share. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Check that you've selected exactly the slides you intend before using the add-on, especially in large decks. After randomizing, scan the flow of your slides to confirm transitions still make sense for your activity. And if you don't see the Randomize Slides option under Extensions, make sure the add-on is installed in your account before you begin. That's it. Open your presentation, select the slides you want, go to Extensions, choose the Randomize Slides add-on, and click Randomize Slides. It's a simple way to keep your sessions dynamic and your audience engaged. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly shuffled deck.